Well, he bataka make. But Jaden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about is Jaden Place. See me up to the time, a cartel. I represent for Jaden Chase. We spray them face on the AK rays. See me up to the time, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, now move settings nation. And we no need no ladder. Welcome to the channel. Yeah, man, Jaden Chase, another one. We're gonna bring another exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I don't know, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, what's a share on the vlog in truth. Viewers and subscribers, it is clear at this point that Gaza Unruly, along with the East Side and the Six, is the new dancehall monarchy. Nation, or some artists said them are the leaders of the new school, and out here search for a hit song like Blues Clues. No international link up, no international feature. But see the chopper here, see the chopper here. Yes, see the chopper here, see the chopper here. Which the kids say album mode. And Popcaan and Skillibeng have their featured slot on the project. We know him that hope for a teacher feature, but you know what I mean? It can still be in the works. Now the G them gonna record the next piece of a Barbados. Quenga, Skilly, Rich the Kid, and some of the East Side ladies. Now Popcaan say I get there. I'm gonna see what I go on and then continue the reasoning.
Oh, see how Rich the Kid. Rich the Kid said, hey, it's team. And some pussy when I like that suck on no matter. Hey, hey, for the unruly East Side, Rich forever got suck on no matter. I like.
You say, alright, what you know? We show them how St. Thomas God's them do it.
Alright.
Happy, like I go send him.
Feet, double. There's no what.
Because they out.
All me eye nearly blind.
Alright.
No good.
I want shell out.
Crazy.
Crazy lifestyle.
I don't give me to do an images.
Hey, you fuck.
Yo, fuck. I know the bad this guy, oh my God.
Yo, me so forward, me up on my flight looking from this.
Alright, now see how what my J.
Crazy.
Easy, guys. Dog, nothing that morning. Hey.
Like the man machine that go say Barbados. Crazy.
East Side lucky blood clot road. Skilly not telling already one more than 1 year. Murder. Barbados lit right now.
Tell about the commercial there. Yeah, say that.
See Yetaford come pick you up there. Crazy shot already, you know?
Forward. You know, crazy lifestyle, you know. Forward.
Yetaford for you know, my father. You know, so you both in a pussy clot. You don't know crazy shot.
Yeah.
Yo, why? I will say that.
Why?
I know that you say. You can't say that for the
I
language.
will say that.
You say you talk over foot in a bro. Head shell out.
No one can say that. You may drop a gun.
Head drop a gun in a bro.
Yes, viewers and subscribers, now let's continue the reasoning. Now recently me hear some artists that talk about Billboard and Billboard achievement. Now Vybz Kartel say you big up Ghetto Youths for their achievements, so you know what that go. But never try use it for hype on the nation. Now viewers and subscribers, despite the album and its number, which it debuted at, it did not sell 1,000 copies first week. A 741 copy it sell. So yeah, it debuted at number 1, and that's a big accomplishment for him. But where sales are concerned, it never really do the numbers. So it's an achievement for them. But tell them and something them can use for say, oh, them have one, them win one, them have something we want. No, you can keep the number 1 debut plaque where you get. The fact say yo, Our albums always sell over 1,000 copies first week. That is something we need to try for do. And that is something we need to try for do. Now speaking of doing it, Skillibeng viewers and subscribers, as a young dancehall artist, I don't know if people remember, them did a try to count out Skillibeng when him drop brick pan brick. And I say I'm gonna be a one-hit wonder. Him now can't find no more hit tracks. Him now get no more features. And after that, I see him get a feature from a teacher. One of the biggest features I can get in a dancehall music. When you get a cosign like that, you know say you have arrived. We see him go Young MA feature recently. Truth be told, that feature was in the works from him get the feature with the teacher. We got Cornelius them. You know what I mean? You know the thing go. Contractor. General in a dancehall music. Skilly definitely made the entire East Side proud at this point. You know what I mean? We have to big up Popcaan too. Another dancehall artist. The Vybz Kartel before anybody else see the superstar potential that Popcaan did have as an artist, as an entertainer. And while surpassing the expectations of many, have definitely lived up to the expectation of Vybz Kartel. You know it go, we'd expect nothing less from an artist who have worked with one of the best dancehall artists my ears have ever heard. From the teacher say you have it, you have it. I must you know have the work ethic to match with the talent you have. But once you have the work ethic to match with the talent you have, stardom. And viewers and subscribers, as dancehall progresses forward, we saw our go on the Grammys, we now cry or talk about some things that happened in the past. We're gonna move forward. And ventures like this, with young dancehall artists, we are linked up with young and popping hip-hop stars. Cause Rich the Kid, into the numbers, recently signed to Rostrum Records. And I think the deal we have is like theme label being signed to their label. So I'm going to own him masters. And as a young artist, if you make ventures like that, that's definitely a boss move. You know what I mean? He help some other artists too, as young as him is. And the fact say, you know what I mean? He was an artist who make theme in the industry. So if you see Skilly them, I link up with artists at that level where I make certain big contract. Or I receive certain big contract with international record labels. It is instrumental for other artists see this. You know what I mean? See a different side of the business. And as I say, for dancehall music and reggae music and hip-hop music, along with all the other genres of music, where either hip-hop or reggaeton or whichever genre of music it is, being influenced by dancehall music, it's a good to see the incorporation. The cohesive productions being put out by dancehall artists and artists of those other respected genres. So hip-hop and a dancehall track are definitely something good for dancehall and good for hip-hop at the same time. You know what I mean? And you see it? Some other artists we are talking about, them want to run the place. We see them reside overseas. And they even moves like this. You know see them make. Not even moves like these. We don't see them link up with an artist. We don't see them try to bring the genre to a different audience. We don't see them try to push for the growth of the music. We don't see them talk and say them want to run the place. I tell you it's a publicity stunt. No artists say make talk and I say them want to run the place. Them not really want to run the place. Them not have the work ethic to be the main artist in a dancehall music. The artists that people are looked to for put out music. No, them can't manage the pressure. Teacher say it already. Cowhead, what you know about pressure? Red peas, you don't know about the pressure. Being constantly critiqued, being constantly questioned, being constantly doubted. None for them can manage. Nobody they've now look upon them and them a fumble. Well, if you haven't heard it anywhere else, well, they can say you heard it here first. We are the new ambassadors for dancehall music viewers and subscribers. Gaza, the unruly. East Side, along with the 6. Think about it. When the international artists them are found out, you see them a link with some other artists. You see them a link up with some other artists. No mention now, make. Even if it's not a music move, even the ones that was forward on island and see you got one with a vibe, with a energy. And of them are the artists them. Even though you might see them on certain platforms like on a Spotify, they say, oh wait, and they must say face of dance. No, that's the face of that platform, not the face of dancehall. Do not get it confused. These artists were never and will never be no face of the dancehall. Tell me how you feel about the whole move. But I said the one called Jaden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and I'm reminding you now. They're new to the channel, new to the movement. Just a pass through, but they like the reason and of course they like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the vlog in truth. The like icon and share icon are located in close proximity. So after you drop a like, you bust a share, set speed, and use any one of the social media platforms of your liking when you choose to share the video. Comment section open 24/7 as I'm stated. You know what I mean? Just be respectful and mindful of the mind. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines, but other than that, drop your thoughts and comments and yes, your opinions there. And we can continue the reasoning via the comment section. You know something go. Yeah man, now move settings for man now. We don't need no lag, and my sentiments for you and yours, of course, for to live, love and prosper until we reason again.